wa gata nna margane wa le la gana tšhelete ya Prophet e bana ya Dr Bara le ba ke le gana tšhelete motho a lefa tšhelete ka January ka bana le ba le khoshe le go nkhatlhela gore dilo tše di a bulega batho ba geso dilo tše di a bulega le no fa batho mahlatsa lena tše le ntibeletse o tomotše mahlo tlo fa motho mahlatsa gago ke ba motho a ka go fang tšhelete o sa ria selo so a bereka o sa ria selo a fortše batsakeng mara wa le modia so ke mara gare ga batho mara during the people.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. So this Sangoma lady loves at Dr. Prophet Tshepo, who is a Sangoma or a prophet or a healer of some sort, after people refused to take his money just outside a bank in the town of Mabulhol in Limpopo province. Tshepo had money in a plastic bag and he tried giving it to people who were seated outside the bank, but you guys, they simply refused to take the money. You guys, now this Sangoma lady is dragging Dr. Prophet Tshepo to further, saying that the reason why people were refusing to take his money is because they're now becoming very aware that there are things such as luck stealing or luck swapping sacrifices. She says that no one would want their luck to just be taken away from them just like that. She says that if you take money from, people who randomly give out money, most of those people are, sacrificing, and they are ritualist. This is what this lady is saying, you guys. She says that most people who love giving money on the streets are people who are into luck swapping. If you take money from those kind of people, you will end up, saying goodbye to your luck. The person who gave you money will in turn get all your luck, you guys. This is what this lady is actually saying, you guys. There you have it. What are your thoughts regarding this whole situation? Please do engage it within the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And may God just bless you all. Bye.